morning, everyone. Hope you are enjoying your holidays. But it is our duty during the holidays we have to keep our children busy with some quality of exercises and activities. So today again we are here with some more fine motor skill activities that those will improve the eye-hand coordination, wrist muscles, palm muscles as well as finger tripod muscles and improve the concentration and focus of your part. So let us start the activity. For this activity, what we required, all the things are easily available at home. See, one bowl full of any lentil of your choice or according to your availability, one spoon and one bottle. Transparent bottle, if you have, you can use that, because this, when they will go the things moving down, children will feel happy. See, what you have to do is hold the spoon like this with your tripod on. Don't hold it like this, don't hold it like this. You have to use your tripod. 3 fingers you have to use, 1, 2 and 3. Now you will fill the lentil in the spoon and transfer it into the bottle like this. Make it sure that lentil should not fall on the table. First tell your ward take half a spoon, but they will get impatient that how we will finish it. No problem. First they will use half of the spoon only like this. After that they can increase the amount or quantity of the lentil in the spoon. It should not fall on the table, and slowly fill it in it. Now see, your child will hold the spoon like this. It is not the right way. They have to use their tripod only. If they are feeling bored, you can stop the activity. Try it again after some time, because you know very well that repetition of activities make them perfect. They feel happy when they do it again and again. Right? This activity is to boost up the eye-hand coordination, focus of their mind, to give strength to the tripod and palm and wrist muscles. Okay? Now we are going to start another activity. For this, the material required is kidney beans, or you can take chickpeas, 1 bowl of kidney beans, 1 ice tray, 1 or 2 any you can take. And see, in previous activity what we have used is tripod. Now we have to use only 2 fingers. Okay? Pick the kidney bean with your index finger and thumb and transfer it into the ice tray. These 2 fingers only. See the control over the kidney bean. See. Next time you will use these 2, 1 thumb and 1 long finger. Now you have to use these 2 fingers. What is the purpose of this activity? The control over the fingers. See, control over the muscles. First you have to train your mind that you will use only these 2 fingers. Now you have to train your mind that stop this finger and use these 2 fingers only. See, when the child will get impatient, he will take full feast of this and pour it like this. It is wrong. You have to stop your word to do like this, to take this much of quantity and fill it. It is wrong method. It is patience test, and they will fill it one by one. Okay? See, once this finger, once index finger, This activity will definitely improve the patience level of your word, focus of your word, and eye-hand coordination and improvement of these muscles, and will give strength to the palm and wrist, which is very necessary for the grip of the pencil. So this is our first duty, to take care of the writing part of our child. So do these activities ample of times, do repetition, and well prepare your word. Thank you. Have a nice day.